All right, should something be disclosed? You're selling your house, filling out the seller disclosures, and you're like, should I tell somebody that? Should I disclose that, right? So you've decided to sell your home, and one step in that process is filling out seller disclosures. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor with Coldwell Banker, owner, House of Sparks. Homeowners, seller disclosures are your opportunity to let any potential buyer know the quirks or issues, things you've noticed about your property. For example, if there is a broken window or issues with the plumbing, disclose it. Another way to determine if you think you should disclose something, you probably should, is to employ the MAAP method, M-A-A-P. You should disclose everything. To help determine if a fact about the property needs to be disclosed, is the information material? Is it adverse? Do you have actual knowledge of it? Does it affect the property's physical condition? More than likely, you should overshare instead of undershare when it comes down to known issues or problems. This will save time for you, the potential buyer, and all of the agents involved. Remember, most likely the potential buyer will have an inspection done anyways. It's gonna bring stuff to light, maybe stuff you didn't even know about. But whatever you think you might hide or keep from a buyer, they're gonna find it. So just disclose it. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.